Before we start this week's video, I want to start by saying thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video and every video coming after this. This month is just beginning. Happy Black History Month. I appreciate you guys so very much. I love each and every person. I know this year has started off very rough. Heart goes out to every single body that is affected by anything that's happening right now. It's truly heartbreaking. It's hard to focus on being happy when so much is going on around you, but I'm here with you and I will be here with you to try to give you something else to focus on, that happiness that you once enjoyed. I can speak for myself and maybe a few other content creators. Just like you go to your 9 to 5, we do the same, but we create and we share because we really want to spread positivity. I love that I'm able to come to you guys today and share what we love to do, which is hair. We love to create, we love to be girly and be feminine and just make ourselves look good and feel good. And it's the best thing sometimes, even when you don't, because you don't want to go into a depression. You just get so consumed in all of the negativity that you just lose yourself. So you cannot lose the joy. Keep your happiness. We're going to do some hair today and we're going to continue. But I just needed to say that because the main reason is because sharing happiness too. Like, there just can't be a consistent flow of just sadness. While we can deal with the everyday struggles in life, we can still find time to do what we enjoy. You can get ready with me. You can do whatever you want when you're watching my videos. We can comment section and just let me know how you're feeling and we can just chat about it. I hope today's video can make you feel good, make you inspire you to get up and be a woman, be feminine, be girly, you know, feel good. But remember, I'm here with you. So let's get into today's video. Today's wig comes from Myfirstwig. Now, you guys know that the drawstring wig is very big right now because it's super convenient. It actually gives you that option to go glueless without anything on your lace and get that snug and secure fit. So let's take a look at this wig. So they give you the edge band. This is also good. You probably won't need it if you're going glueless. It's still there for your convenience. And then also in your bag, they give you the wig itself with a storage bag. So you are able to travel if you need to and package your wig. And then they also give you some accessories to go with your wig to help your install. Today's wig is the Annie 8002 wig. This is a silky texture, 20 inches in Malaysian hair. So let's take it out the packaging. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. They give you a wig cap. This is what the hairline looks like, as you can see. Cap construction looks like on the inside. They give you the combs. They give you the built-in strap that you can take in and out. As you can see, it has the pull drawstring, and this is so convenient. They also put the adjustable strap inside here too that you can use when you don't want to use the drawstrap or if you need a little extra pull. But for the most part, again, the drawstring, you can pull as much as you want to shrink your cap, as small as you need to fit as snug as you would like it. And then they also add a comb in the back so you can insert it so the wig won't flap around in the back. So all you have to do is slide it on like this. The ear tabs, the lace, all of that already is cut and ready to go. Take the string and you just pull it as tight as you need it to fit. This one does have a stopper on it. I'm gonna tuck the string and then pull the comb down. This is my cap size. My cap size is a 21 to 22. And as you can see, it fits pretty good around that ear. It's just a little bit longer on this side, but it gives me that extra space to cut it if I have to. This is what the hair looks like. This is a very thin texture. It'll be at least 130% density. It'll fall very natural if you're looking for something that's comfortable and you want it to look like your hair. You're not really into the dramatic hairstyles. This is definitely it. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and straighten it up some, style it. So I do have on my wig cap. I just want to make sure that that's pushed back. And as you can see, the hairline around here is laying very flat. It's very flat. I don't have to worry about any ripples at the hairline. That's the great thing about the drawstring. It really flattens down that area. One thing I do love about doing my hair, times are hard. It's like I can just kind of sit down and just take care of me. While some people don't find importance in vanity, it's not the most important thing in the world. However, pretty sure if you're here, you have a love for just putting yourself together. So I enjoy you guys sitting with me in these hard times and still being able to do girly things and just enjoy it a little bit even through rough times. So that's why I'm here with you guys sharing content, because we just can't sit around and be depressed all day. We can't. Like, we can't do that, y'all. Like, one thing a woman is gonna do is pick herself up. All my strong, beautiful women out there, I'm just gonna straighten this up a little bit. As you can see, the hairline looks really good. Whatever makes you happy, do it. Wigs are very fun. I love the fact that I can switch my style whenever I want. I can switch my hair color. And some people be like, oh, go back to sew-ins. Go back to... No. Sew-ins are for people who can afford to go to the salon every single month. I used to do my own sew-ins, and it took so much time. Wigs are not as complicated as a lot of people make them out to be. Especially the ones nowadays where you don't really have to do nothing to it because it comes already pre-cut, pre-bleached, everything. This wig right now, I find that it's already done. Like, I'm kind of just playing around with it right now and just adding, you know, whatever I want to do to it as far. But as you can see, you can wear it straight out the box. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Just because some people like to go through life miserable doesn't mean that you can't do the things that make you happy. Don't cut it away because you feel like everything around you is falling apart. Like, those are the things and the hobbies and stuff that makes you happy. When I create my styles, I know that I can take some of these wigs straight out the box, put it on and go if I want to. But I remember before wigs came like this, where we was customizing, we was bleaching eyes, coloring wigs, styling them. We was doing all of this. And a lot of people was like, oh, it's so hard. Like, wigs are so hard you have to do all that to wear a wig. And you absolutely did not have to do all that. We do all that because it's our hobby. It's fun to take something and transform it into something better. Creativity of what you can do. I'm gonna go ahead and be extra and style it, add some curls. I just want to be extra, not because I have to do this, just because I just want to do something cute. But I'm gonna curl it first and then see how I feel. I'm gonna add some big curls around it. My precious squad, like, y'all know what it is. Like, we're gonna keep pushing, we're gonna keep going, but don't neglect yourself because things around you are going down. You can feel down, but don't stay there for too long because depression is real. So the hair on this is so silky. And I'm gonna take my curler. This, I don't know what size this is, y'all. I just found it. Now for the sides, I'm gonna fix that after I curl the hair. So this is what the finished result looked like. This density is very natural. Let me show you the back so you can get a feel of what it looks like. If you need to with the size, you can always just lay a piece of tape, and I talk about this all the time. They did add some tape in mine. I'm not going to use it today. With the straight texture and the density, this wig is for anyone that is a beginner. Pretty sure on the website they may have density options you can choose from. This one is definitely the 130%. Straight hair, it doesn't really hold curls too well. I do prefer a body wave if I'm going with a lighter density so that I can at least add more volume to the hair. But like I said, for a style like this is for simplicity. You don't want to curl your hair, but you want it to be nice. You know, you just throw a wig on and go. It definitely is giving natural, okay? So I will have this wig linked below in the description box. Take care of yourselves. Continue to push, you guys. Have faith. Keep praying. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. I really do appreciate all your love, all your support. Hopefully, again, my videos can bring joy, you know, in the time and just inspire you to get up and do what you enjoy, okay? Regardless. Thank you guys so much. Prayers, love.